You probably seen it on the news, but Chrissy Teigen, she's married to John Legend. She's on the fire about tweets of cyber bullying about 10 years ago. But Candace Owens is slamming her really bad because, her and Candace got into it in the past. And check this out and listen to what Candace had to say.
Chrissy Teigen, who is, in my opinion, one of the most deranged people on the web. Okay, and I don't know why the media, because she's, married to John Legend, has tried to make it seem like, oh my God, her mental derangement is funny, it's cute, it's like, oh, she's just saying what she wants to say. This person, she should have been canceled a very long time ago by canceling standards, right? The idea that she has sponsorships and is making money from these corporations that claim to be woke and to care about all of these different groups of people and to care about mental health and awareness, allowing her to be a spokesperson for any of their products is ridiculous, right? She has said disgusting things to me in the past, disgusting things to other Black conservatives, has harassed Trump supporters for 4 years because it's Chrissy Teigen and she's married to John Legend and they're a part of Woketopia.
What is Woketopia?
And I will never stop saying, not only do we need to disinvest for in police, but we need to completely dismantle the Minneapolis Police Department.
Phoenix would like you to know that she's a girl and she prefers she and her pronouns.
Excuse me, it's ma'am. It is ma'am. And that's what y'all are taught to do, to be demons.
And apparently, people that are in Hollywood are allowed to be disgusting, deranged individuals and never get called out on it because the press just says, it doesn't matter, it's cute, it's funny.
This whole issue of encouraging someone to kill themselves, very serious, right? Because there is a young woman in jail right now that was convicted by a jury of her peers when she encouraged her boyfriend to commit suicide, and he did it. And that family now doesn't have their loved one. Obviously, that is a terrible and extreme example of how far wrong this can go. I just think that for her, sure, apologize, whatever, but I also think, why do you need Twitter? Just don't tweet.
Well, I'm a John Legend fan, so I don't really want to criticize his wife too much, but I will because that's what my job is. So I'll just tell Chrissy to be best. Okay? Be best. Don't cyberbully people. Just bully people on TV like I do. I mean, I don't tell people to kill themselves. I just call them corrupt morons who are destroying the country. But it is funny that the left's being canceled by the culture that they created. I guess you call it karma, whatever. But a bigger point is that all liberals are saying, you did this, you're a bad person, you did. They're guilty of all that. Yeah. They're some of the biggest, nastiest people out there. That's the point. So